like a sculpture of movement, not a single block, but a fragmented composition that settles into the topography and continuously reveals new frames. This is the Stair House by Formative Architects, a residence where the staircase itself becomes the defining element of space, circulation, and views. Located in Jeju, South Korea, the house was designed to engage both with the landscape and with the nearby Ali Trail that passes close to the site. Instead of imposing a single large facade, the architects divided the volume to let the sky and scenery appear between the buildings. The Stair House is composed of fragmented blocks articulated around vertical paths and transitional spaces. The staircase, spanning up to roughly 3 levels, organizes circulation and turns the act of ascending into a sequence of discoveries. Living spaces, bedrooms, and gathering areas unfold along this path, always with the staircase as the central axis. As one moves upward, the atmosphere changes dramatically. The interior opens up in unexpected ways, and the staircase ceases to be a mere connector to become the architectural language itself. It creates rhythms of light and shadow, frames of the sky, and visual pauses. It is the element that defines the house's personality. Inside, material simplicity prevails. Restrained furnishings, clean surfaces, and finishes that echo the exterior palette allow the focus to remain on movement and the surrounding landscape. Although private, the configuration allows flexibility. The blocks can accommodate bedrooms, living areas, small studios, or hospitality functions as needed. The fragmented composition enables intimate spaces while maintaining spatial continuity along the routes. Brick and concrete dominate the surfaces, giving mass and presence. The decision to use the same material for both exterior walls and roof strengthens the sense of unity and keeps the concept cohesive. Brick textures, exposed concrete planes, and carefully placed openings compose a facade that changes its expression as one walks along the exterior path. Small details, such as the junctions between brick planes and window frames, or the way the handrail follows the stairs path, reinforce the idea of continuity. The Stair House offers a contemporary response to the idea of dwelling. Instead of seeking monumentality, it embraces porosity. The staircase transforms the act of climbing into an architectural experience, while the divided volumes let the site breathe. It is a house best understood in motion. Here, architecture is conceived as a journey that reveals poetic surprises without artifice. The Stair House reminds us that sometimes the best way to inhabit a landscape is to build paths that reveal it, placing the staircase at the heart of the narrative to guide us through discovery.